But Casey and Carson, definitely some nice weather today.
Good, yes. Good. Yes, this morning, whenever I was taking my kids to school, drizzly and just that stuff we were dealing with last week. So I'm glad it's just made it very humid, but at least it's not, you know, drizzly out there right now.
Yeah, it was enough to dampen roadways. Yeah. We didn't pick up any measurable precipitation at Tyler that I know of today. We definitely picked up a trace in South Tyler, Flint, those areas like that. But the rain, rather sparse today. It might not be as much as we move into tomorrow, but it's warm, it's humid, as Isaac's small town live shot presented to us there. We've got breaks in the clouds across the area. We've got upper 70s and lower 80s as well. 80 in Quitman. Mineola's at 79. It's 78 in Emory. I've got us at 80 in Tyler. Overton, pretty warm as well, 79. Mount Enterprise is at 82. It's 80 in Nacogdoches, 81 in Palestine, 81 in Crockett, Zavala at 82 degrees. But here is what Isaac was discussing, how humid it is, upper 60s, lower 70s for our dew points, and it's all because of this rich Gulf moisture that continues to move into East Texas. There's your dry line out to the west. I do expect storms to form along that dry line tonight, and there's the storm system that will be giving us that chance of severe weather tomorrow. One thing to note is this will be tracking across Kansas and Nebraska, giving a pretty nasty severe weather outbreak to portions of the Midwest, and that is exactly where the enhanced threat is. It's from Omaha into western Iowa, northwestern Missouri, and northeastern Kansas there. But here in East Texas, we're not completely out of the woods. We do have a slight risk of severe weather for our central and northern counties. It is a level 1 marginal risk from Crockett to Nacogdoches into eastern Panola County. So here's Futurecast. This is 8 o'clock, and as you can see, a few breaks in the clouds tonight. We will get more cloud cover into the area tomorrow. And Casey mentioned the drizzle this morning. It's a possibility tomorrow morning as well. 7 o'clock Friday, tracking an area of showers and thunderstorms out to the west, but that collapses as it moves into East Texas. So with tomorrow morning's round of storms, it's going to be hard to come by anything that would be anywhere close to severe, but it is certainly a possibility. And like I've mentioned before, East Texas weather does East Texas weather things. I'm more concerned about the afternoon because that's when it's going to be warmest, and that's when we could see a few of these individual storms form. But not a lot at 4 o'clock. Some of these little storms could contain a little bit of hail, and then as we move towards 9 o'clock, most of the storms are done, and then we're dealing with partly to mostly cloudy skies then. But for your tornado probability, it is a 5% threat, so fairly low for places like Tyler. It's even lower further to the south and to the southeast. So I've got large hail as the primary threat here, damaging winds at a medium as well. The tornado threat, it's between a low and a medium, and with the lack of coverage of rain, the flash flooding threat is going to be low. But we're not out of the woods. Sunday, another slight risk of severe weather. That does include most of our area, so you will need to be weather aware this weekend with those storm chances Sunday, even into Monday, and then we've got 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Deep East Texas, same deal. A few isolated storms tomorrow. Most of it stays to the north. Next chance of storms is Sunday. Casey.
Carson, thank you.